So, are you creative and do you have a way with words? Well, you can make up to $100 a day. So instead of just writing, why not make a profit out of it? For content marketers, putting pen to paper or fingers to computer can be very profitable. Are you willing to give it a go? In today's video, we are going to talk about 3 ways you'll earn $100 a day by writing. So you must be a writer or a writer at heart. Writing can be a very good side hustle or even a main hustle. If you've got command of the written word, this job is certainly for you. So now what are these 3 ways I'm talking about? Let's talk about them one by one. Welcome to Money Talk, where we discuss everything related to money. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that like button, hit subscribe, and click that notification bell to receive updates and be the first to check out our latest videos. So the first way is freelance writing. Being a freelancer is where many seasoned independent contractors get their start. If you possess strong writing abilities and can swiftly master a variety of themes in a short period of time, you should certainly consider freelance writing. You might earn less than $100 per day or more than $100 per day, depending on the volume of work, the client's budget, and the type of work. The majority of word count requirements fall between 1,200 and 2,000 words. However, some are fewer than 500 words. There are several websites available today where you may look for a freelance job. All you have to do is to simply register and declare your qualifications, and some of the websites might want a sample portfolio. Now, I'll give you some of the most common freelance writing websites, without particular order, to help you start your freelance writing experience now. So, the first one is Upwork. If you've ever tried your hand at freelancing, you've probably heard of Upwork. On this website, you may find many freelance positions in fields like IT, software, web design, graphic design, writing, translation, engineering, and architecture. If you're just starting out, it's an excellent area to look for a freelancing job. Second is Contently. As the name implies, this business focuses on freelance writers. Contently operates by linking authors with leading international brands. This is advised for more experienced writers who have numerous finished projects and at least a few years' worth of professional experience under their belts, because you will need to upload a portfolio in order to join up for their services. Another great website to look for freelance employment is We Work Remotely. It provides remote employment for all levels of technical and literary expertise around the entire planet. Another one is Fiverr. A freelancing marketplace called Fiverr offers everything from marketing and copywriting to graphic design and music or video editing. If you're trying to find a balance between quality and price, Fiverr is an excellent place to start. So now the second way I'm talking about is writing sponsored posts. Among millennials, 1/3 confess to making a purchase following the viewing of a sponsored post. With this, businesses are more and more considering this type of advertisement. In sponsored posts, organizations and businesses pay you to post positive things on your website or blog about them, or their services or goods. With this, you should discuss a product or a brand you enjoy, explain how you use it, and let your readers know how they may gain from it as well. In other words, sponsored content is an advertisement that appears to be there by design. Rather than feeling intrusive, it feels like it belongs on the platform. The niche you write about, how frequently you produce sponsored pieces, or who pays you are all aspects that will determine how much money you make. Payments range from a few $100s to several $1,000s for each article. But if your site has a lot of traffic, payments can reach tens of thousands of dollars. Today, Sponsored content exists across dozens of channels in a wide range of forms: social media, podcasts, articles, television spots, and of course, good old radio are popular choices for modern sponsored content. Now I know the topic gets more and more interesting from here, but I want to know if you've tried these hustles before. Let me know in the comment section below so we can talk about them. So now, the third way that I'm talking about is writing an ebook or selling other digital products. Offering your target audience something useful is the ultimate purpose of content marketing. Writing ebooks is a rather simple method of earning money online. But remember that this only works if you have a certain level of competence in the subject matter and can articulate why you are producing the ebook. It also provides you a fantastic opportunity to connect with potential clients and wow them with your expertise in the field while assisting them in finding an answer to a query or resolving an issue. These days it's really simple to market and distribute ebooks. Yours may be offered for sale on your website, through Amazon, and of course with social media platform promotion. Furthermore, you may create a particular kind of digital subscription in which you serialize your knowledge or experience, offer step-by-step instructions, and continuously produce new content for your members. Once you get into the game, turning a profit is fairly simple to do. Now, what I mean about other digital goods is that all those other digital goods that you can think of which you think will derive you a profit. There are literally many possibilities for the kind of digital goods you may market. If graphic design is your thing, you may create t-shirt designs and sell them on Amazon merch. You don't need to maintain any sort of inventory or a supply of actual t-shirts since Amazon will take care of it. All you have to do is come up with a standout design and market it. So now that you know what these ways are, which do you think suits you best? Comment your choice down below so I'll know which one works for you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, click subscribe, and hit that notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. If you want to watch more videos, head on over to our channel to see more. See you!